So let's study the differences between xylem and phloem. So the first point under xylem will be, so xylem is the complex tissue of plants which is responsible for transporting water and other nutrients to the plant cells. And for phloem, so phloem is the living tissue responsible for transporting food and other organic materials. Let's move on to the second point now. So xylem mainly consists of dead cells. Parenchyma is the only living cell present in the xylem. And for phloem, so phloem contains living cells. Fibers are the only dead cells which are present in the phloem. So xylem contains xylem vessels, fibers and tracheids. And for phloem, so phloem contains phloem fibers, sieve tubes, sieve cells, phloem and parenchyma and other companion cells. So let's move on to the fourth point. So xylem is located in the center of the vascular bundle deep in the plant. And for phloem, so phloem is located on the outer side of the vascular bundle. So in the given diagram you can clearly see that xylem is located in the inner sections, is located in the inner portions of the vascular bundles. This is the red portion is the primary xylem, and for phloem this is the phloem. Phloem is located in the outer portions of the vascular bundle. So I hope this point is clear. Now let's move on to the fifth point. So unidirectional movement occurs in xylem, and for phloem, so bidirectional movement occurs in phloem. Let me explain this with the help of a diagram again. So on the left you can see that I have a diagram of the xylem vessel. Here the movement occurs in only one direction. And for phloem, so you can clearly see that for phloem it is a bidirectional flow. The flow is occurring in two directions. So this was the difference. Now let's move on to the next point. So xylem transports only minerals and waters from the roots. And for phloem, so phloem transports food materials that are prepared by the green parts of the plants to other parts of the plants. So now let's move on to the seventh point. So xylem provides mechanical support, while phloem does not provide any mechanical support. So xylem is responsible for replacing the total amount of lost water molecules through transpiration and photosynthesis. And for phloem, so it is responsible for transporting proteins and mRNAs through the plant. So the total amount of xylem tissue is more compared to the total amount of phloem tissue, that is, the total amount of phloem tissue is less. So xylem tissue are present in roots, stems and leaves. They are smaller compared to the phloem tissue. So now I will write the last point for the phloem tissue. So phloem are present in stems and leaves which later transports and grows to roots, fruits and seeds of the plant. So these were the differences between xylem and phloem. Thank you.